stop scrolling. If you think English grammar is difficult, you've been taught the wrong way. Not your fault. Never was. You watched videos, read books, memorized rules. But when you speak, you hesitate. You doubt. You translate in your head. And suddenly, English feels heavy. Let me tell you something powerful. English grammar is not difficult. It was made complicated. Too many rules, too many exceptions, too much confusion. But grammar is just a pattern. And once you see the pattern, everything changes. For years, I studied, taught, and refined this, and I saw one thing again and again. Students don't fail because they are weak. They fail because no one teaches them clearly. So, I built something different, not another boring course. A system. Welcome to English Grammar Mastery Course. Here, we don't memorize, we understand. We break grammar into simple ideas, step by step, level by level, from zero to advanced. No confusion, no overload, just clarity. This course has 4 levels. 0 level for absolute beginners, beginner level to build your base, intermediate level, real sentence power, advanced level, mastery. You won't feel lost, you'll feel progress, every single day. Most teachers teach grammar. I teach understanding. Most courses give rules. I give clarity. Simple, practical, powerful. Imagine this. You speak English without fear. You write without mistakes. You understand without translating. That version of you, we're building it together. So if you're serious about learning English, start this journey with me. Subscribe, stay consistent, and let's master English the right way. This is Grammar 386, where clarity begins.